Each day, we observe numerous students appearing to be perfectly fine. They smile, joke around with friends, and carry out their activities as usual.
Adolescent, university students, and young workers are the group most affected. Mental health influence constitution, social relationship, and overall quality of life.
A person can appear to be smiling on the outside, while stress and anxiety slowly eat away at them from the inside. Therefore, it's important for us to be mindful and start taking simple steps.
Sometimes, expressing our feelings by writing can help release emotional burdens. In other moments, choosing gentle physical activities such as simple exercise or stretching can help reduce stress, calm the mind, and slowly refresh it.
Channels her feeling through hobby, creativity, and find strength from social interaction, gathering with friends, chatting, play, or being active in organizations that provide a sense of comfort.
Hello everyone, welcome to our group interview video. Today we'll be talking with several people to hear their perspective on mental health. Let's take a look at what they have to say. Who am I with and what study program are you from?
So my name is Salmani Sojaksana, but you can call me Salma. I am the first year college student in Pancasila and Civic Education.
Hello, my name is Hani Fatiatu Syahida. I'm currently studying in Universitas Islam Negeri Syarif Hidayatullah Jakarta, and I'm studying psychology.
I'm with Arvidana Pradono from Communication Studies.
Hello, my name is Rayhan Saputra. I'm from Statistika UNJ.
My name is Aliana Disawibowo from Sociology Education.
The first question. Okay, what do you think about the current mental health condition of students?
Depends on the students. Many students are will keep their problem and not seeking for help by go to professional and not talk to their family or friends.
For me, the current mental health for the student is a growing concern. Why? Many students get into some feel like anxiety or some academical pressure to reduce their mental health condition.
Okay. I think the current mental health of student around here is pretty decent because I don't think there's a lot of people that have mental issues, especially from my friends. I don't really see that much, so I think it's pretty decent.
I think mental health of student is so important because without the good mental health, student is gonna be crazy and stressful, I think.
In my opinion, the current mental health condition of students is quite worrying because many of them face increasingly complex academic, social, and economic pressures.
And for the second questions, what do you think are the main factors causing mental health issues among students?
I think the environment play a big part because when you hang out with right people, you're gonna develop a lot of mental health. I mean, it's gonna be some good effect and bad effect. So it depends on the environment.
Okay.
Students usually face academic pressures from their family. There are students who get pressured to get highest or maintain a good grades, so they push themselves so hardly to achieve that. And then there are factors that maybe because, and there are other factors that like the cost of college and the cost of living that they have to pay it for that they have to pay it by themselves.
I think that there are many factors like the 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 teacher, the environment, and tugas task.
The main factors that often trigger mental health problems include heavy college achievements, pressure to achieve, lack of social support, as well as economic problems and competitive campus environment.
Okay.
Well, in my opinion, the main excuse of why the mental health awareness suddenly decreased is the first thing is the academic pressure and the lack of emotional support. The two of it making students get easy to stress or get an anxiety.
How do you personally cope with your mental health challenge?
I think I have a good mental health until I join to Universitas Negeri Jakarta.
To overcome mental health challenge, I usually try to manage my time better, find enough rest space, talk to people I trust, and do activities that make me calmer.
Okay.
Usually, I will calm myself down first, and I will think about the issue I was dealing. I will read. I will write it in my notes on my phone, and start with the smallest problem, so my problem will be gradually resolved.
Well, in my experience, I always make sure I don't push myself too much, don't overwork myself, whatever is basically physically or mentally. I will make sure I get enough rest before I will study.
Okay. I don't think I'm struggling with mental health because I don't have many issues with my mental health. I think the college life is still, I can still handle those things, so I don't really have a problem with that.
And the last one question, what do you think mental health awareness on campus is important?
Okay, mental health awareness on campus is crucial as it can help students better understand themselves, foster a support environment, and ensure they know where to seek help when they need it.
Well, of course, the mental health awareness is important. Why? The mental health is basically the first brick for the students for they continue their study. They can do their best or get a good grade in campus.
Absolutely, because a lot of people struggle with mental health, especially in university environment, and a lot of people should take care of their mental because that could affecting your daily life in university. So we should take care of our mental health.
It's so important because much of students are depressed and doesn't have a good mental health, I think.
Okay.
It is real important because many students are living by themselves in a foreign city or even in a foreign country that they know much about that place. Recently, there are students that kill themselves because they cannot bear the problem that they face in the college. Mental health awareness will help many students to feel that they are not alone and someone will support them.
Thank you, Karma.
Thank you so much, Rafid.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you, Hania.
Okay, thank you, Alia.
Now we want to ask about opinion and wishes from students in here in State University of Negeri Jakarta, and this is what they said. Let's go!
To address this issue, our group came up with a case solution, creating a mental health campaign through the Hope Tree.
This campaign provides a safe space for students to write their hopes, message of encouragement, and experience related to mental health on which leaves hung from the tree. Through this activity, students are encouraged to support each other, express their feelings, and raise awareness that mental health is an important issue and needs to be discussed openly on campus.